$3 off coupon.
Ready, go! Get it, go! Yeah!
Woo! Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to another episode of Recast Fishing in SoCal. We are at Fred Hall Show, Long Beach Convention Center 2018. And I'm here today with Darryl J.
Hey guys, how you doing? Finally made it out.
All right, so it's actually his first time coming to Fred Hall Show, right?
That is true. That is true. It's my very first time. I haven't had a chance to come out. I've read about it about 2-3 years now, but it's my first time coming out and trying to enjoy the show.
All right, so hopefully you get some great deals, right?
Yeah, see what they got to offer in there. I know I need a couple of new items, so I'm gonna try to see what they got for a good deal.
All right, let's go and check out the great deals.
All right.
$3 off coupon. Got off Facebook.
15.
15?
Yeah, it's $18.
Oh, it's $18. So we get in for $15 instead of 18.
Yo, Johnny. I can say why the VX? The VX, the individual. So this is a lot of power. You don't need that much power. You need a VX high output, and they're about 12. Everything, including the fish finder, the fuel battery system, they're about 20.
He said, not today. He said, sight.
Go, Belly, go! Go! I know it's wet and cold. Let's go! Get it, go!
He said, I want to, but no, not today.
Ready, go! Get it, go! Yeah!
Woo! Yay!
Good girl! Good job!
Who bit me, that kid?
Liability waiver form.
Oh yeah, no problem.
And I'll get you a life jacket and I'll get you out there.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start getting on these kayaks and see how I could do. Bye.